Today I'm going to tell you about the Varify water hardness test strips. Where we live, we have hard water. We suspected we did, but we wanted to get these test strips to tell for sure. And we were right. We do have very hard water here. So after verifying with the Varify test strips, we did get a water softener. But now we use the test strips to judge when that needs to be changed and when it needs to be updated. So I have just a cup of water here. The test strip only goes in for just a couple of seconds, right back out. As you can see, my water is pretty hard. Let me show you how I know that. See there? It is way up here. And that shows you the hardness of the water. It should be down here in the green, and it's way up here. So that tells you how hard your water is. It gives you an idea. You can, a couple of seconds dipping it in there, and you know. Now I'm going to show you, I have some water in my glass that I got out of a filtered water dispenser. So here's this one. Just a couple of seconds. See, it's still green. That's perfect. That's what you want. And this strip, it has right here on the container, it shows you can compare to see exactly where you're at. So if you're not sure if you have hard water or not, this is what you need. This will show you. It also helps you to keep an eye on your softener. If you do have a softener at your house, it helps you keep up with it to see if it's working correctly, make sure everything is good. Varify water hardness strips. We highly recommend.